Philadelphia. First, I will take you to, as you can see, Philadelphia is pretty big, and the dots of where I am, where I'm going, are a little bit spread out. So we're gonna start with Steve's. It's over here. There's a picture of what it looks like. This one is my favorite one. Also, it is the closest to my house, so that's convenient. I'm gonna go over there. Making moves. Drop us into the street view so you can see it. That's not it. Let's turn a little. Yep, and this is it. Looks like a little house almost. These are the best kinds of cheesesteak places that always look a little beaten and battered. Okay, next on the list, we are going to go to D'Alessandro's. Yeah, let's go there. As you can see in that picture, looks pretty delicious, but we're moving quite far away. This is in Center City. I lived in Northeast Philly. So, this place is constantly very crowded. I'll drop us to the street view. Oh god. Not there. Yeah, here we go. Across the street you can see Chubby's. I've never had Chubby's. Can't be that good. Don't know what the hype's about. D'Alessandro's. See, even you can see in this picture it's pretty crowded right now. And like I said, the best steaks come from little houses and places like this. It's usually family owned. They run a really, really good deal. Honestly, so good. But let's see the historical imagery if we can on this one. I feel like this one would be interesting. How do we get there? Oh, well, it's not coming up. Oh, they don't have a less recent picture, I guess. Okay, so the next place we're gonna go to, excuse me, I'm a little bit sick, is Pat's, King of Steaks. Let's go. So, as you'll come to know, Pat's and Geno's, oh, we're coming back out, really moving here. Pat's and Geno's are rivals. You can see in this area, Pat's with the blue tack, and Geno's, they're really close. They're also two of the biggest tourist attractions in Philly, like for cheesesteaks anyway. And there's other things to see, like the Liberty Bell, but for cheesesteaks, everyone goes here. And honestly, I wouldn't go to either. And anybody that is native to Philly would tell you the same thing. Let's see what it looked like a little bit before all this. Oh, okay. That's in the sun. This is at night, or like around this time. Yeah, about 7:15ish. It's a little darker, you can see. I'll drop us down. Let's go. Oh, look around a little.